princess, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is very different from what we have done on our channel before. And हमने realize किया कि हमारे channel पे इतनी ज़्यादा personal videos नहीं है जिससे आप हमें जान पाओ. Like we have done only 3 Q&As in the past and that's all about it. But this time we are doing facts about us. Initially we decided on doing 30 facts, but हमें उतने मिले ही नहीं.
Yeah.
So we are doing
20 other ones we are sharing.
Yeah.
So this video is all about 20 random facts that
Yeah.
you must know. I don't know. Let's
I think it would be interesting. So yeah. First things first, our real name is Shivangi and Gaurangi. Shivangi Vyas and Gaurangi Vyas. A lot of you guys don't know this. सबको लगता है twins नाम है या फिर शिवी गौरी नाम है, but actual में it's Shivangi and Gaurangi.
Next fact is कि हमारी height 5'1" है. We are too short. Actually एक time था जब हमारी height एकदम से increase हो गई थी.
Yeah.
In 8th standard I remember we used to skip a lot,
Yeah.
like every day. उसके बाद हमने एकदम से height हमारी रुक गई बढ़ना. So our height is 5'1", we're pretty short. So yeah. Next fact is we were very introvert in school. Like अभी हम जैसे बात कर पा रहे हैं कैमरा के सामने, and even in real life we can make a conversation with someone right
Yeah.
now. But school में हम इतने introverted थे कि हमारे कोई दोस्त ही नहीं थे. मुश्किल से हमारे 2-3 दोस्त थे जो अभी भी हमारे friends हैं by the way.
Yeah.
But we didn't have any friends. We were never talking in school. We used to be the quiet introverted kids, and
we used to always make excuses for not going to school because we did not feel good at school. I feel.
We felt a lot left out.
Yeah.
And हमें ऐसे एकदम लगता था कि यार we don't fit in and all of that. So school was not good at all.
Next fact is also related to school. So we were actually like, I don't know, but I feel like a lot of you guys would relate when a lot of like about 2 to 3 teachers have been very partial to us in
Yeah.
school. And
bully बड़ा word हो गया, but partial definitely I felt like they were being partial to me. मैं अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कर पाऊँगी, शिवी अपना कर पाएगी बिकॉज वी वर इन डिफरेंट क्लास डिविजन्स. बट या 2-3 टीचर्स थी तो जो काफ़ी ज़्यादा पार्शल थी एंड टू एन एक्सटेंट विच इज़ एक्चुअली नॉट नाइस. हाउएवर नॉट ऑल टीचर्स. हमारी स्कूल की बहुत सारी टीचर्स हैं जिन्होंने हमें सपोर्ट बहुत ज़्यादा किया. दे स्टिल comment on our videos, on posts which we post on Facebook, so it's extremely sweet of them. But 2-3 teachers थी ऐसे जो partial रही हैं.
Yeah.
Next thing is we hate parties and socializing overall.
Yeah, we like to stay home, but अब ज़्यादा हो गया है. It's been a year, but I feel like if we even like to go off, we like to chill within our own group and watching movies and
Yeah, we might come off as
big extroverts, like outgoing people on camera, because that's the way we are on camera. I don't know where this confidence and this extrovertness, if that's a word, comes from.
No, but we are confident. It's just that we are very quiet and we don't speak a lot when we meet new people.
Yeah, and it takes a lot of time to be ourselves.
Next thing is we are obsessed with collecting diaries.
Yeah.
हमें diaries collect करना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है.
Yeah, in fact, we don't do that anymore. I don't know हमें कैसे आदत छूट गई, but when we were in third, I remember starting writing a diary when I was in 2nd standard, and this habit was inculcated in us by our father. So I have actually all of my days written from 2nd to about 4th, 5th standard, which is kind of insane. When I go back and read it, I feel so good and nostalgic about all these things. But I don't know, this habit has अचानक ही चली गई. I have tried to come back to it, but it can't just happen. So yeah, fun fact.
Okay, the 7th fact is ये हमें question online मिला. Is there any superstition we believe in? We are not superstitious at all कि बिल्ली ने रास्ता काटा और नींबू मिर्च और ये सब. But one thing that I believe is in नज़र.
Yeah.
मैं definitely उसमें believe करती हूँ because मैंने देखा है होते हुए ये अपने साथ भी.
And I feel like after having such experiences, I have started to keep things to myself, like what I mean.
Yeah.
I'm sure आपको पता होगा कि काम होने से पहले ज़्यादा लोगों को बताओ मत.
Yeah.
So I really do believe in all of this.
I tell the people I trust, but yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Moving on. The 8th one is we can't say no. Like
Yeah.
we just can't. Something in us is just we feel like
I know it's बैड, बट हमें लगता है कि अगर हम किसी को मना करेंगे तो उनका बीइंग ड्रामेटिक दिल टूट जाएगा एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट शिट.
Yeah.
बट या आई मीन आई रिमेंबर दिस इज सो स्टूपिड ऑफ मी, बट अभी तो हम फिर भी इम्प्रूव हो रहे हैं पहले से धीरे धीरे करके.
हम ना बोल के हमें खुद ही गिल्टी फील होने
बुरा
लगता है कि वो
लगता
शिट, एंड वी स्टार्ट ओवरथिंकिंग लाइक क्रेजी कि यार शिट. बट एनीवे, moving on, we never cry watching movies.
Yeah.
That is something that just doesn't happen no matter how emotional the film is. 2 movies I cried watching was Highway and October.
Yeah, I only cried watching October, and also another fact that I have never watched a movie on mobile phone.
Yeah.
I think movies are not meant to be watched like that. Only once I had watched, मैं train में थी and I was very bored, so I had watched Dream Girl. Now talking about our first payment, not payment because we don't earn regularly and YouTube से हमें अभी तक पैसे नहीं आए YouTube.
But we're hoping it soon.
Yeah.
But anyway,
I remember we got 1200 rupees for a post on Instagram that we did, and yeah, I think we celebrated a little bit and got some gifts for family. And
Yeah.
uske turant baad we got some other payment, which was kind of a big deal. It was some 10,000 rupees.
15.
Okay.
Yeah, it was 15,000 for a video making app, which is actually now banned in India.
Yeah. So
yeah.
that was it.
Okay, next fact is we absolutely hate studying.
Yeah.
Like 10th के बाद मैंने बस 12th में पढ़ाई की.
In fact-
11th was the most unserious, non-serious academic year I've ever done.
In fact, like even now we study a day before exam, and अब तो और online examination.
Yeah.
That's a plus.
वो तो हमने 6 घंटे पहले पढ़ा है.
But the most I've studied is in 12th standard.
The most.
Yeah.
We hate dancing. We can't dance to save our lives. Like ऐसे किसी शादी में या किसी पार्टी में भी ऐसे कोई खींच के लेके जाता ना कि डांस करो, तो हम इतने ज़्यादा awkward हो जाते हैं. Awkward is the word. We feel so like awkward because we don't know anything about it.
Nothing.
And it's literally
And,
so awkward.
Yeah, I can only dance in that room. दरवाज़ा बंद करके. Another childhood fact, अभी भी जैसे ट्विंस में कंफ्यूजन हो जाती है कि कौन गौरी है कौन शिवी है, तो बचपन में वी यूज्ड टू हैव लेबल्स. गौरी के पास लेबल 1 था, लाइक लिटरल लेबल, एंड मेरे पास लेबल 2 था. So yeah, that's
that
how
people wouldn't get confused.
That's how everyone used to differentiate.
Yeah. So Shivi actually wanted to be a chef.
Yeah, and 8th standard में मैं डिसाइड करा था कि मैं होटल मैनेजमेंट करूँगी एंड शेफ बनूँगी, बट आई डोंट नो 10th स्टैंडर्ड तक मैं कंफ्यूज होती रही कि क्या करना है. एंड 11th में आई टुक आर्ट्स, एंड देन आफ्टर 12th आई टुक BMM, एंड देन आई जस्ट लॉस्ट माई वे, एंड मेरा मन ही नहीं किया वो करने का. पता नहीं कैसे ही हुआ ट्रांजिशन ऑल ऑफ अ सडन, बट या आई डोंट नो, दिस ट्रांजिशन वाज सो सडन फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस, एंड आई स्टिल लाफ अबाउट इट कि अरे कब
हुआ ये?
कैसे होगा सब कुछ. इट्स वेरी फनी टू मी.
We actually used to write a lot of poetries back then. Back then मतलब 8th, 9th, 7th,
10th तक भी.
हाँ अभी भी कभी कभी like but it's so random. But 7th 8th में conscious effort होता था कि ज़बरदस्ती लिखनी ही है.
पर ज़बरदस्ती भी ऐसे बहुत मतलब ज़बरदस्ती नहीं लिखनी होती थी, बट अंदर से लगता था कि वी शुड ट्राई.
Yeah, like we used to make a conscious effort to
Yeah,
writing
sitting
it.
down and thinking about something and writing a poetry. But now that
Now if it comes then we write.
Yeah.
But we are still lovers of like it.
lovers of like it.
but we still like it. Okay, so another fact कि हम up till I think 2020 की beginning में before the quarantine started, we used to take a lot of pressure in uploading our
Yeah.
YouTube videos.
हमें लगता था कि हमारे चैनल पे सिर्फ शॉर्ट फिल्म्स ही जानी चाहिए. पता नहीं किस बात से हमें किसने हमें बताया था या फिर हमें खुद से लगने लगा, बट इस चक्कर में हम अपलोड ही नहीं करते थे. एंड आई
Yeah.
रियलाइज दैट टू सस्टेन ऑन यूट्यूब यू हैव टू डू दिस काइंड ऑफ वीडियोज जैसे हम अभी कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज इट्स प्रैक्टिकली नॉट पॉसिबल टू शूट शॉर्ट फिल्म एवरी वीक.
Short film मतलब well produced video, कुछ sketch आए,
कुछ हटके.
yeah like
And हम वो ट्राई करते थे, बट इट कैन नॉट हैपन एवरी वीक.
yeah it's just not possible.
बेसिकली या
So अभी हमने ऐसी वीडियो बनाई है, बट 2 साल पहले हम नहीं बना पाते. But thanks to lockdown, thanks to you guys also for accepting these kind of videos. Another fact is
So I'm very scared of cats, and इतना ज़्यादा मुझे डर लगता है cat से कि my hand starts shaking, and I get so anxious whenever I see cats around me. And this is also applicable to with other animals. Like animals, dogs, and मेरे को I'm not a very big animal lover, but I don't hate them. I don't disrespect them. So yeah. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you like it. Like, share, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you next week.
Bye.